until 4 in the afternoon. সে পড়ালেখা করে খুবই হার্ড, মানে সেটা হবে কঠোর কঠোর পড়ালেখা করে বিকাল 4টা পর্যন্ত, দুপুর 4টা পর্যন্ত। Then he travels back to his village and at 5 he begins the classes. তারপর সে গ্রামে ব্যাক করে এবং 5টা থেকে ক্লাস শুরু করে। He teaches English, Bengali, history and math until 8 in the evening. রাত 8টা পর্যন্ত সে ইংলিশ, বাংলা এবং হিস্ট্রি, ইতিহাস এবং অঙ্ক পড়ায়। He says, I love teaching. I am never tired. সে বলে, আমি শিক্ষা দিতে ভালোবাসি, আমি কখনোই ক্লান্ত হই না। Babur's ambitions. Now the school has 650 students and 10 teachers. এখন এই স্কুলে 650 জন স্টুডেন্ট, শিক্ষার্থী এবং 10 জন শিক্ষক আছেন। Babur wants to study at university. বাবরের ইচ্ছা ইউনিভার্সিটিতে শিক্ষা লাভ করা। Wants to study, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. কিন্তু সে গ্রামে শিক্ষা দান করাটা স্টপ করে না।
সে পড়ানো থামাতে চায় না।
সে পড়ানো থামাতে কাজ করতেছে তো। He doesn't ইমরান যদি না হয় তাহলে আমি বলবো। He doesn't want to stop teaching. সে শিক্ষাটা থামাতে চায় না। He says, সে বলে, I always want to teach poor children. আমি সব সময় গরিব শিশুদেরকে শিক্ষা দিতে চাই।
Okay, thank you very much. Now Babur Ali, I will come to Kausar. You just start reading.
Okay, sir. Babur Ali is 16 years old and a head teacher. সে 16 বছরের এবং সে প্রধান শিক্ষক। Babur Ali comes from West Bengal in India. Babur Ali West Bengal, পশ্চিম বাংলার ইন্ডিয়া থেকে এসেছে।
He comes from পশ্চিম বাংলা, এরকম না, এসেছে না, it's not correct. You have to say Babur Ali comes, he comes from where is it? He comes from West Bengal, India. তার বাড়ি হচ্ছে West Bengal, India. Go on.
Okay, sir. He is 16 years old and lives in the small village of Bhapta. সে তার বয়স 16 বছর এবং সে বাস করে ছোট্ট একটা গ্রাম, তার নাম হচ্ছে ভাপ্তা। His village does not have a school. তার গ্রামে কোনো স্কুল নাই। But Babur is lucky because he goes to private school in the next village. বাবর একজন সৌভাগ্যবান, সে পাশের গ্রামে একটা প্রাইভেট স্কুলে পড়তে যায়। His school cost 100 rupees, 12 pounds a year. তার স্কুলের খরচ হচ্ছে 1000 রুপি এবং হচ্ছে 12 পাউন্ড প্রতি বছরে। This is too expensive for many children in Babur's village. বাবরের গ্রামের অনেক শিশুর জন্য এটা অনেক ব্যয়বহুল। But the want to learn, কিন্তু তারা শিখতে চায়। So Babur teaches them everything that he learns. বাবর যেটা শেখে সেটা শিখে এসে তাদেরকে শেখায়। More and more children want to learn. অনেক থেকে অনেক বাচ্চারা সেগুলো শিখতে চায়। So Babur's friends help him teach. সেজন্য বাবরের বন্ধুরা তাকে হেল্প করে। The classes are in শেখাতে চায়। The classes are in সাহায্য করে। The classes are in bamboo huts. তার ক্লাসের রুমটা হচ্ছে একটা বাঁশের কুঁড়ে ঘর, বাঁশের ঘরে। But sometimes ক্লাসগুলো হচ্ছে বাঁশের ঘরে, but sometimes they sit outdoors. কিন্তু অনেক সময় তারা ঘরের বাইরেও ক্লাস নেয় আর কি, বসে। The school is free and now has a name, the Anand Shiksha Niketan School, and Babur is the head teacher. সে স্কুলটা একদম ফ্রি এবং তার নাম হচ্ছে আনন্দ শিক্ষা নিকেতন স্কুল। বাবর হচ্ছে সেটার প্রধান শিক্ষক।
Babur is the head teacher.
বিজি ডেজ, এবং বাবর সেটা প্রধান শিক্ষক।
Babur's
বাবর
day.
বিজি ডেজ, ব্যস্ত। স্যার,
Start reading.
বাবর's days are very busy. বাবরের প্রত্যেকটা সময় অনেক ব্যস্ততাময়। She has no free time. তার কোনো ফ্রি সময় নাই। He gets up 5 o'clock in the morning and helps his mother with her housework. সে 5টার সময় ঘুম থেকে ওঠে এবং উঠে তার মাকে তার ঘরের কাজের জন্য সাহায্য করে। At 8 o'clock he goes by bus to school 3 miles away. সে সকালবেলা উঠে বাসে করে 3 কিলোমিটার দূরের সে স্কুলে যায়। He studies hard all day until 4 in the afternoon. সে খুব কষ্ট করে পড়াশোনা করে বিকাল 4টা পর্যন্ত। Then he travels back to his village. এবং সে তার বাসা থেকে আসে 5টায় and 5 then he travels back to his village. এবং সে তার গ্রামে ফিরে আসে at 5 he begins the class. সে 5টার সময় আবার হচ্ছে ক্লাস শুরু করে। He teaches English, Bengali.
He teaches English.
He teaches English, Bengali, history and maths until 8 in the evening. সে শিখায় ইংলিশ, বাংলা, ইতিহাস সে পড়ায়।
Be normal. He teaches English, Bengali, history and math. সে ইংরেজি, বাংলা, ইতিহাস এবং অঙ্ক পড়ায় until 8টা পর্যন্ত, রাত 8টা পর্যন্ত পড়ায়।
রাত 8টা পর্যন্ত। He says, I like teaching, I am never tired.
I love teaching.
I love teaching, I am never
tired. Babur's ambition. Now the school has 650 students and 10 teachers. তার স্কুলে এখন 650 জন ছাত্রছাত্রী এবং 10 জন শিক্ষক। বাবর want to study at university. বাবর বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় পর্যন্ত পড়তে চায়, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. কিন্তু সে তার পড়ানোটা বন্ধ করতে চায় না। He says, I always want to teach poor children. তার হচ্ছে সে সব সময় গরিব বাচ্চাদেরকে,
শিক্ষার্থীদের পড়াবে।
গরিব বাচ্চাদেরকে পড়াতে চাই। Okay. Now come to the point. So we have already read very elaborately about deeply about Babur. Okay. So now we will move on to this question with Babur. Now let's read them out with the correct option. Read them out with the correct options. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Look at this. Amra picture to we have already seen the picture. We have already seen the picture. Look at the picture. Read these sentences about Babur Ali. Underline what you think is true. Look at the picture. Read this sentence about Babur Ali. Underline what you think is true. Nashu, you read the sentence with the correct option. You read the sentence with the correct option.
Okay. Babur gets up at 5 o'clock. 5 a.m.
Gets up at
5 a.m.
Okay.
He helps his mother in the housework.
Okay.
He goes to school by bus.
Yes.
He studies hard until 4 p.m.
Yes.
He begins his homework.
Not homework. He begins his
class at
he begins classes at 5 p.m.
Yes.
He likes his work.
He likes his work. Yes.
He doesn't speak English.
Yes, he doesn't speak English.
He wants to go to university.
He wants to go to university. Thank you very much. Okay, now Kausar bhai, you read.
Babur gets up at 5 a.m. He helps his mother in the house. He goes to school by bus. He
Goes,
studies.
he goes to school by bus. Hmm.
He goes to school by bus. He studies hard until 4 p.m.
Yes.
He begins the classes at 5 p.m. He likes his work. He does not speak English. He wants he wants go to university.
Wants to go to university. He wants to go to university.
University.
Okay. So as we have read about Babur Ali, about him, and these are the tasks we are doing right now. Do you think Babur Ali, this character is real or fake? This is imaginary character or real character?
I think, sir, imaginary.
No, real. এই সমস্ত বইয়ের মধ্যে ইমাজিনারি কিছু, এটাকে বলা হয় অথেন্টিক ম্যাটেরিয়াল। ইন্ডিয়ার ভাবটাতে গেলে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলে ইউ উইল ফাইন্ড দিস পারসন। হয়তো চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে এখন অনেক কিছু, বিকজ দিস বুক ওয়াজ ডেভেলপড 3 to 4 years
That time.
তখনকার থেকে তো আরো তো চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে, বাট দিস ইজ ট্রু, এখানে সত্য ছাড়া কিছু আসে না, ইমাজিনারি কিছু এখানে নাই। Okay, read the first paragraph about Babur, ask and answer the questions with a pattern. We have already read all the paragraphs, now we will have the conversation on these questions. Nashu, I am asking you, where does Babur come from?
Babur comes from West Bengal in India.
Yeah, very good. Where does he live?
He lives in a small village of Bhapta.
Okay, thank you very much. Does his village have a school?
His village doesn't have any school
Okay. Why is he lucky?
because he has get a chance to go to
He's-
private university, a private school.
Yes, because he's lucky because he goes to a private school. He goes
In the-
to a private school in the next village. Okay, কথা বলে? Next village. He goes to a private school next village. How much does his school cost?
His school costs 1,000 rupees,
Yeah.
12 pound a year.
একই কথা, 1,000 rupee or 12. You have to say only one. His school costs 1,000 rupees or 12 pounds a year. His school costs 1,000 rupees
1,000
or 12
rupees
pounds a year.
or 12
Now I
pound
am
a
asking
year.
you the same question again. How much does his school cost?
His school costs 1,000 rupees or 12 pound a year.
Pounds. Rupees
Pounds
plural
a
হয়,
year.
pound ও plural হয়। His
Pounds a
school
year.
costs 1,000 rupees or 12 pounds a year. 12 pounds a year. Okay, thank you very much. What does he teach? What does he teach the children? What does he teach the children?
He teaches English,
Bengali.
Bengali, history, and math.
Very good. Are all the classes outdoors?
Sometimes.
No,
আগে মূল জবাবটা দেন। No, they aren't.
no, they
They
no,
মানে
they
class কি?
aren't.
They means the plural of the classes. Third person of plural, they হয়। Are
No,
all the
they
classes
aren't.
outdoors? No, Kausar, you observe this. আপনার এই জিনিসগুলো আপনার ভুল হয়, আপনি খেয়াল করেন। All the classes outdoors? No, they aren't. Some
No, they
classes
aren't.
are indoors. Some classes are indoors. I'm asking you,
Outdoors.
are all the classes outdoors?
No, they
Aren't. they
sometime
আর you look at this, আর দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করেছি, তাহলে উত্তরটা তো আর দিয়েই হবে। উত্তরটা কি হবে?
No,
আর দিয়ে
are they
আর অথবা না বোধ হলে কি aren't।
aren't. No,
এটাতে লিখি কেন?
no, all the class aren't outdoors.
হুম। Are all the classes, এখানে কি বলছে? আর আছে, তাহলে কি হবে? উত্তরটা হবে আর দিয়ে অথবা
aren't.
aren't দিয়ে। তাহলে are all the classes outdoors? No, they aren't.
No, they aren't.
Some classes are indoors.
Indoors.
Classes are indoors.
Indoors.
Okay. Now I am asking you again. Are all the classes outdoors?
No, they aren't.
হ্যাঁ,
Some
Mm,
classes are.
some classes are indoors.
okay. What's his school's name? Is it free?
His school's name is Anand Shikha Niketan School, and it's free.
Very good, very good. Now, Kausar bhai, I am asking you, where
Okay, sir.
does Babur come from?
Babur Ali comes from West Bengal in India.
Just a minute, আমার এখানে একটু ডিস্টার্ব করতেছে, এক মিনিট। Kausar bhai, where does
Yes, sir.
Babur come from?
Babur
Where
Ali comes from West Bengal in India.
আবার বলেন।
Babur comes from West Bengal in India.
Okay. Where does he live?
He lives in the small village of Bhapta.
Does his village have a school?
His village doesn't have a school.
এটা pronoun দিয়ে বলেন। No. Does
No.
his village have a school? আপনি কি বলবেন? No.
No,
No.
his village doesn't
Now,
have a school.
pronoun দিয়ে বলেন। No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
No, কথাটা বুঝতে পারছেন না কেন?
No, it doesn't.
আমি যে বলি does Nashu have a school? No, she doesn't.
No.
আমার কথা শোনেন আগে, আমি তো খেয়াল করছি আপনি সিরিয়াস হন না কেন? Does Nashu have a school? No, she doesn't. She doesn't. Does Kausar have a school? No, he doesn't. Does your village have a school? No, it doesn't. মহিলা হইলে আমরা কি বলবো? No, she doesn't. পুরুষ হইলে no, he doesn't. বস্তু হইলে no, it doesn't. For third persons. আর যদি বহুবচন হয়, নাশুরা অনেকগুলো মেয়ে অথবা অনেকগুলো ছেলে বা অনেকগুলো বস্তুবাচক জিনিস, you have to say no, they don't. No, they don't. No, they don't. এবার আসেন দেখি, does his village have a school?
No, it doesn't.
Why is he lucky?
Because he goes to school.
Goes to school, he goes to a private school
He goes to a private school next village.
in the next village.
In the next village.
How much does his school cost?
His school cost 1,000 rupee or 12 pounds a year.
Rupee plural হয়, 1,000 rupees or 12 pounds a year. What does he teach the children?
He teaches English, Bengali, history, and mathematics.
Okay. Are all the classes outdoors?
No, they aren't. Some classes are indoors.
Good. What's his school's name?
His school name is
No, school's name. একটা হচ্ছে schools possessive s, আমরা আগে শিখে আসছি কতদিন। Possessive s আর এইটা হচ্ছে verb s। এটা verb, এটা possessive। তাহলে what's his school's name?
His school name is.
আবার বলি স্কুল নেম। His schools দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন আপনি।
His school's name.
আবার বলি শুনেন, what's his school's name?
His school's name আনন্দ শিক্ষা নিকেতন
তাহলে
স্কুল।
তাহলে তাহলে এই ইজটা কে বলবে? এটাও তো বলতে হবে, এটা তো ইজ।
ও,
তাহলে হিজ স্কুলস,
স্কুলস নেম ইজ আনন্দ শিক্ষা নিকেতন স্কুল।
ইয়েস। আমি আবার বলি, হোয়াটস হিজ স্কুলস নেম?
His school's name is আনন্দ শিক্ষা নিকেতন স্কুল।
নেম ইজ ওকে। ইজ ইট ফ্রি?
It's free.
কেন সুন্দর জবাব দিলেন না কেন?
Yeah, it's
ইজ ইট
yes,
ফ্রি?
yes, it's free.
নো।
কেন স্যার?
ফ্রি হলে পুরো সংক্ষিপ্ত জবাব দেন। ইজ ইট ফ্রি?
Yeah, is it?
ইজ ইট
Yes,
নো।
yes, is it?
উত্তরের বেলা কি ইজ ইট হয় না ইট ইজ হয়?
It is.
ইয়েস ইট ইজ। ইজ ইট ফ্রি?
Yes, it is.
ইয়েস ইয়েস ইট
It is.
is. Are they free? Are they free? কি হবে? Yes,
Yes, they are free.
they are.
Yes, sir, they are free.
Yes, they are free বলো তো হবে। Yes, they are.
Yes, they
আমি
are.
নাসুকে দেখাই বলতেছি, is she free? Is নাসু free? Is নাসু free? নাসু কি ব্যস্ত না, কি জানি ফ্রি আছে? তো কি বলবেন? আমি বললাম
Yes.
is নাসু free?
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
Is Kausar free?
Yes, he is.
Is your father free?
Yes, her free.
Is your father free?
Yes, his.
Your father এর pronoun কি হবে?
He doesn't. No, he isn't.
সাধারণ যাবে না, হাবুতে জবাব দেন। Is your
Okay.
father free?
Yes, he is.
ব্যাস শেষ। আপনার বাবার জন্য তো পুরুষ মানুষ। Is your mother free?
Yes,
she
she free. Yes,
আবার
she
ওনার
is.
মুখ দিয়ে কথাটা ক্লিয়ার হয় না। আমি যা বলি তা মাথার মধ্যে বসান।
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, is your mother free?
Yes, she is.
ব্যাস। আমরা পরের আইটেমে যাব নামাজ শেষ করার পরে।
Okay, sir.
After the this is break for Maghrib. Wait for 10 minutes.
Okay, sir.
I'm sorry. Mic was off. I was talking. So, I'm coming to the page once again, on the previous page. Now read it. Read about Babor's busy day. Ask and answer question about the times in Babor's day. বাবর বিজি ডের উপর প্যারাটা পড়তে বলেছে এবং ইউ হ্যাভ টু আস্ক কোয়েশ্চেন্স এন্ড অ্যান্সার টু দোজ কোয়েশ্চেন্স অন টাইম, সময় রিলেটেড। সো বাবরস বিজি ডে কোনটা? বাবরস বিজি ডে প্যারাটা কোনটা? হুইচ ওয়ান? বাবরস বিজি ডে প্যারাটা হচ্ছে
Babur's days are very busy, এটা স্যার।
this para. So we will talk on this para, on the time mentioned in that para. Let's go to that para. Let's go to that para. Okay, listen to this. Babur, I'm reading aloud this para and asking the questions on the time. Now I'm reading aloud it to you, and you, Nashu, you just listen to. I'm asking you. Babur's days are very busy. He has no free time. He gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning and he helps his mother with the housework. At 8 o'clock, he goes by bus to his school 3 miles away. He studies hard all day until 4 in the afternoon. Then he travels back to his village. At 5, he begins the classes. He teaches English, Bengali, history, and maths until 8 in the evening. He says, I love teaching, I am never tired. So we have been told, we have been asked to ask questions on these items, to ask questions on the time. These are the time, these are the time, this is time, this is time. So Nashu, can you ask me question on the time?
Yes, sir, can.
Ask on this question, on this.
What time does Babur get up?
Babur gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Good, thank you. What time?
Time does he go by
Go to
bus?
his school. Now, what time does he go to school? What time does he go to school? By bus বলতেও পারেন. He
আচ্ছা।
goes to school by bus at 8 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock. যেহেতু মর্নিং একবার বলা হয়ে গেছে। Now next 4 এর উপর প্রশ্ন করেন।
4 হচ্ছে
What time does he studies?
what
He
time
studies hard all day until 4 in the afternoon. সে পুরা দিন কষ্ট করে পড়াশোনা করে বিকাল 4টা পর্যন্ত। তাইলে until what time অথবা what time does his school break up? তার স্কুল শেষ হয় কয়টায়? অথবা কয়টা পর্যন্ত সে পড়াশোনা করে? Until what time does he study? Until what time does he study? Ask me the question again.
until what time does he study?
He studies until 4 in the afternoon.
Okay.
Now ask question on this. Ask on this time. Okay.
এটা হচ্ছে when does he travel back to his village?
No, এটা তার উপরে না। He comes back to his village, এটা বলছে, এটা কথা সত্য, but at 5 he begins the classes. হ্যাঁ, তাহলে
what time does he begin his classes?
Thank you, সুন্দর প্রশ্ন করেছেন। Does he begin বলেছেন। He begins his classes at 5 in the afternoon. Okay, then
until what time
does he
take class?
Does he take classes অথবা does he teach? Does he teach? Until what time does he teach? Again, you ask me the question again.
Until what time does he teach classes?
He teaches until 8 in the evening. He teaches until 8 in the evening. Okay, you ask Kausar the same question. Kausar, you reply to Nashu's question.
Kausar bhai, ready? What time does he get up?
Kausar, you answer
He
to the
gets
question.
up at 5 o'clock
In the morning.
in the morning.
What time does he go to school?
He goes to school 8 o'clock.
At
At 8 o'clock by bus.
সময়ের আগে at দিতে হয় at 8 o'clock.
Until what time does he study?
He studies all the day until 4 or in the afternoon.
Until 4 o'clock. Until 4 in the
o'clock.
afternoon. It's also correct. It's also correct. Until 4 in the afternoon. Okay. Then
Okay. Then until এটা হচ্ছে he
what
teaches-
time does he begin classes?
What time does he begin classes?
He begins 5 or
জবাব দেন clear. What time she asked you, what time does he begin classes? এখানে যদি বলে এরকম কথা, listen to this, look at the board, look এটা দিকে তাকান. What time does he begin খেয়াল করেন begin, তাহলে আপনার উত্তরটা কি হবে? He begins classes. What time does he begin classes? কি বলবেন? He begins classes. হ্যাঁ।
he begins classes 5 o'clock. 5
At-
o'clock.
at-
At 5 right sir, at 5 o'clock.
হ্যাঁ। Until what time? Until নাশু
জি স্যার
কয়টা পর্যন্ত সে পড়ায়? Until
until what time does he teach?
He
Until
teaches
what time?
until 8 o'clock in the evening.
okay, thank you very much. Can you ask the same questions?
Okay, yes sir. What time does he get up?
He gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
What time does he go to school?
He goes to school at 8 o'clock.
Until what time does he studies?
He studies until 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
What time does the beginning class?
Does he begin classes?
Does he
What
begin
time does he begin classes?
What time does he begin classes?
He begins classes at 5 o'clock.
Until what time does he teaches?
Teaches not. Until what time does he teach?
Teach.
He teaches until 8 o'clock in the evening.
Complete sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Now come on to this side, left side. Come to the left side. Now look at this. Read about Babur's ambition. Correct the sentences.
Okay sir.
Okay, now I am reading the sentence. You will reply to that. The school has 60 students.
It doesn't have 60 students. It has 650 students.
Okay, it has 5 teachers.
It doesn't have 5
No.
teachers. It doesn't have 5 teachers.
Good.
It has 10 teachers.
Babur wants to stop teaching.
It doesn't. Babur,
Oh, it cannot. Babur, he
doesn't.
বলেন পুরো বাক্য বলেন।
He doesn't. Babur always want to.
Look at me. Look at the sentence. Don't follow the instruction I gave a while earlier. একটু আগে শুধু সংক্ষিপ্ত জবাব শিখিতে সেটা নিয়ে বসে আছেন কেন? আমাকে এখানে ইনস্ট্রাকশন কি দিছে? এখানে পুরো বাক্য বলতেছে। এখানে পুরো বাক্য বলতেছে। Babur wants to stop studying. কি বলবেন? No দরকার নাই। No নাই জায়গার মধ্যে। Babur does not want to stop studying. You have to make the full sentence. School has 60 students. কি বলছেন? It does not have 60 students. So Babur wants to stop teaching. You have to say make these the same sentence, the full sentence you have to make negative as they shown here. They have showed here, এখানে যারা যেটা তারা দেখাইছে, কিভাবে বলবেন?
Babur does not
want to
want
stop
to
teaching, এটা
stop
না বলতে কি
teaching.
হবে? বাবর doesn't
Does
want
not
to stop teaching.
teaching.
আমাদের দেশের বহু লোকে সারাদিন ফটফট করে ইংরেজিতে আমি দেখেছি। আমরা তো শিখতে এসেছি, বহু লোক ইংরেজি জানে বলে, কিন্তু এই খুঁটিনাটি জিনিসগুলো ক্লিয়ার না। ডাজ নট, ডু নট, ইংরেজি কিন্তু সারাদিন বলতেছে, এগুলি 100% ক্লিয়ার হয় না সবার। বাবর ওয়ান্টস টু স্টপ টিচিং, কি বলবেন নাশু?
He
Babur does not want to stop teaching.
teaching.
এখন একটু ভুল আছে। আইএলস পরীক্ষার নিয়ম হচ্ছে, এখন তো আমরা আইএলস এর বেসিক কোর্স করতেছি, আইএলস এর নিয়ম হচ্ছে যেই রকম উদাহরণ দেয় সেই রকমই থাকতে হবে। স্কুলের পরিবর্তে কি বসাইছে?
It.
তাহলে বাবরের পরিবর্তে কি বসবে?
He.
এই বসবে। তাহলে বাবর ওয়ান্টস টু স্টপ টিচিং কি হবে?
He does not wants to stop teaching.
ডাজ নট ওয়ান্টস মানে বাবা ডাজ নট ওয়ান্ট, হি
Want
ডাজ
does
নট
not
ওয়ান্ট টু
want
স্টপ টিচিং।
stop teaching.
তাহলে শুদ্ধ কথাটা কি?
Baburs
He-
always want to teaches poor students.
অথবা বাবর ওয়ান্টস টু কন্টিনিউ টিচিং, বাবর ওয়ান্টস টু
Wants to
কন্টিনিউ,
continue teaching.
হি ওয়ান্টস টু বি আ ডক্টর।
It doesn't.
আবার এটা চলে গেল, দেখছেন?
He
He
doesn't.
doesn't.
He doesn't.
He doesn't to be a doctor.
He doesn't.
He wants to be
He wants
He
to be a
wants to-
teacher.
He wants
to be a
to
teacher.
go to
He wants to
university.
go to university. একই কথা, he wants to
University.
go to university.
University.
And Ashu, I am asking you, the school has 60 students.
Doesn't.
It doesn't have 60 students. It has 650 students.
Okay, it has 5 teachers.
It doesn't have 5 teachers. It has 10 teachers.
Babar wants to stop teaching.
He does not want to stop teaching.
He wants to,
He wants to continue teaching.
okay, he wants to continue teaching. He wants to be a doctor.
He does.
No, he doesn't.
No, নাই।
No, he doesn't.
পুরো বাক্য
He,
বলেন।
he doesn't want to be a doctor. He wants to be a teacher.
অথবা he wants to go to university.
He wants
Okay,
to go.
আমরা এটার ইয়াগুলো দেখি।
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
Number 1, school has 60 students. No, it does not have 60. It has 600 students. It has 5 teachers. It does not have 5 teachers. It has 10 teachers.
10
Number
teachers.
3, Babur wants to stop teaching. Babur does not want to stop teaching. He এই যে দেখেন, Babur does not want to stop teaching. He wants to continue, অথবা he wants to teach the poor children. Okay, he wants to be a doctor. He does not want to be a doctor. He wants to study at university. Clear? Okay. Now এখানে আমরা we will face an exam, একটা কুইজ দিব আমরা এখানে। নাও নাম্বার 2, বাবর নাবোধ বাক্য কি হবে?
Babur not come from Mumbai.
এই শিখলাম 2 দিনে।
Oh no,
Nabodo.
sir. Babur.
বাবর not come from Mumbai. এটা নেগেটিভ, you have to make the sentence negative using the verb come.
cannot have.
He
Babur
doesn't
come
come
from
from Mumbai.
হ্যাঁ, he,
Doesn't.
ডান পাশে বাক্যটা বলো।
He comes from
He
West
comes
Bengal.
from West Bengal in India.
He doesn't come from Mumbai. He comes from West Bengal. Clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Number 2,
This is school.
His school
This is cost
not
100.
cost.
No,
His-
sir.
Negative করতে হবে স্যার।
of course, নেগেটিভ বাক্য বানান।
His school
School does not.
ভার্ব কোনটা?
cost.
This is
What the cost, sir?
তো বলেন, নাবোধক দিয়ে করেন। In present simple present tense নাবোধক বানাইতে হলে don't অথবা doesn't, দুইটার যে কোনো একটা হবে।
His
বলেন,
school
This
doesn't
school doesn't cost.
একদম করেন। নাশু বলেন আগে।
His school doesn't cost 1,000 rupee,
Pounds.
No.
1,000 pounds, 1,000
A year.
pounds a year. It
It
costs
Costs.
1,000 rupees a
Costs.
year.
1000
Cost
rupees a year. হ্যাঁ,
cost a year.
number 3,
Babur does not have a lot of free time. He has no free time.
good.
His father, okay, his father does not help with the housework. Babur
Babur
helps
helps
with
with
the
housework.
housework.
Right.
Babur's school doesn't in his village.
না বি ভার্বে নেগেটিভ কি
Acha,
হবে?
Babur school is not
In
in
his
his
village.
village. It is in the next village.
Yes.
Babur does not work to the
Walk.
school.
Walk
Does
মানে
not
হেঁটে
walk.
হাঁটা।
Does not walk to the school. He
বাবর
goes
হেঁটে স্কুলে যায় না, বাবর হেঁটে স্কুলে যায় না, হি
goes by bus.
কি করবে? হ্যাঁ, কাউসার কুইক।
Listen. Babur does not come from Mumbai. Babur he comes from West Bengal.
Yes.
His school does not cost 1,000 pounds a year. It costs 100 rupees a year. Babur does not have a lot of free time. He have no free time.
He have না, he has.
He has no free time, right, sir? He has no free time. His father does not help with the housework. Babur helps with the housework. Babur's school is not in his
বাবর's
village.
স্কুল।
Babur's school is not in his village. It is in the next village.
Yes.
Babur does not walk to school. He goes by bus.
প্রথমটা এই যে উত্তর। আবার দেখাচ্ছি। Babur does not come from Mumbai, he comes from West Bengal. His school does not cost, আপনারা একবার পড়েন মনে মনে দেখেন।
Babur does not
School does not cost
He comes from West Bengal. His school doesn't cost 1,000 pounds a year. It costs 1,000 rupees a year. Babur doesn't have lot of free time. He has no free time. Father doesn't help with the housework.
Is not in his village. It
Babur
is
helps
in
with
the next village.
Babur's school is just in the village.
He goes by bus.
Okay, thank you very much. Now go on to the next part. Role play. একজন ইন্টারভিউ নিবে। Work with a partner and complete the question. Work with a partner and complete the question. How many students কি হতে পারে?
How many students? is
There
the
are
school?
650
No,
students.
what will be the full question? Full question কি হবে? How many students?
How many students? How many students is school
আর স্কুলে
organization?
কয়টা বাচ্চা আছে? How many students?
Six.
How many students does your school have? Look at the question. I'm showing the question. How many students does your school have? Okay. Number 2, how many teachers? কি হতে পারে? এই স্কুলে
Does you
how many teachers are there in your school? অথবা how many teachers are there? যেবে বলি how many teachers does your school have? How many teachers does your school have? তোমার স্কুল কয়টায় শুরু হয় কয়টায় শেষ হয় এই ধরনের প্রশ্ন। What time? তাহলে কি হতে পারে? What time do your classes start? What time do your classes start? তোমার ক্লাস কয়টায় শুরু হয়? আর ফিনিশ দিয়ে বললে what time do your classes finish? What time do your classes finish? তোমার স্কুলের খরচ কত? How much does your school cost? Classes cost? অথবা স্কুল বলে দিল ডাজ দেওয়া লাগতো। আর যেহেতু ক্লাসেস বলেছে এইজন্য ডু দেওয়া লাগছে। প্রশ্ন করতে ডু। How much do your classes cost? তোমার ক্লাসের খরচ কত? তোমার টিচারের নাম কি? What's your teacher's name? What's your teacher's name? Number 3. Good teacher. Is he a good teacher? সে কি একজন ভালো শিক্ষক? সে কি পড়ায়? What does he teach? What does he teach? সে কি খুব পরিশ্রম করে? Does he work hard? Does he work hard? এখন look at this. Look at the book. Student A, you are a journalist. Ask question. And student B, you are one of Babur's students. Answer the question. একজন হবে সাংবাদিক, আরেকজন হবে জার্নালিস্ট, আরেকজন হবে বাবুর স্কুলের স্টুডেন্ট। একটা সাংবাদিক আসছে স্কুলের ব্যাপারে জানতে প্রশ্ন করবে। আমি আগে আপনাদেরকে এটা প্লে করে শোনাই। I am playing it. Okay.
Tape script 2.13. An interview.
Can I ask you some questions about your school?
Yes, of course.
How many students are in your school?
There are 650 now.
That's quite a lot. And how many teachers?
10 teachers.
And what time do your classes start?
5 o'clock every day.
How much does it cost?
Oh, the school is free.
Very good. And your teacher, what's your teacher's name?
Babur Ali. He's only 16.
16? That's amazing. Is he a good teacher?
He is very good indeed.
What does he teach?
He teaches English, Bengali, history, and maths.
That's a lot of subjects. Does he work hard?
Oh, yes, very hard. He studies all day and he teaches us every evening. He's the best teacher in the world.
সাংবাদিকের কথোপকথনটা শুনলেন? Okay, I am playing again.
Can I ask you some questions about your school?
Yes, of course.
How many students are in your school?
There are 650 now.
That's quite a lot. And how many teachers?
10 teachers.
And what time do your classes start?
5 o'clock every day.
How much does it cost?
Oh, the school is free.
Very good. And your teacher, what's your teacher's name?
Babur Ali. He's only 16.
16? That's amazing. Is he a good teacher?
He is very good indeed.
What does he teach?
He teaches English, Bengali, history, and maths.
That's a lot of subjects. Does he work hard?
Oh, yes, very hard. He studies all day and he teaches us every evening. He's the best teacher in the world.
Good. Can you play the role? দেখে
জি
দেখে
স্যার, দেখে দেখে বলো।
দেখে
ট্রাই
দেখে
করবো স্যার, ট্রাই করবো।
হ্যাঁ, সাংবাদিক হচ্ছে নাসু, আর আপনি হচ্ছেন স্কুলের টিচার বা স্টুডেন্ট। হ্যাঁ,
Okay.
একদম হুবহু।
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you some question about your school?
Can I ask you some questions about your school?
Yes, of course.
How many students are in your school?
Yes.
Yes, করতে
There are 650 now. There are 650 now.
That's quite a lot. And how many teachers?
How many teachers? এইভাবে।
How many
10 teachers. 10 teachers.
And what
10
time?
teachers.
না,
And
হ্যাঁ,
what-
আবার বলেন দ্যাটস কোয়াইট আ লট। আপনি ওর জায়গাটা বলেন কেন? ওরটাও বলুক। দ্যাটস কোয়াইট আ লট বলেন আবার।
That's quite a lot. And how many teachers?
10 teachers.
And what time do your classes start?
5 o'clock every day.
How much does it cost?
Oh, this school is free.
Very good. And your
টিচার
very good. And your teachers, what's your teacher's name?
Babur Ali. He's only 16.
16? That's amazing. Is he a good teacher?
He is a very good indeed.
is very good indeed.
What does he teach?
He teaches English, Bengali, history, and maths.
That's that's a lot of subject. Does he work hard?
Oh, yes, very hard. He studies all day and he teaches us every evening. He's the best teacher in the world.
The best teacher. কত পড়তে কত অসুবিধা হয় দেখছেন? Nashu, I am asking you. Can I ask you some questions about your school?
Okay.
Nashu, I am asking
Yes,
you.
of course.
Of course. How many students are in your school?
Yes, of course.
How many students are in your
There
school?
are 600.
That's quite a lot.
There are 650 now.
That's quite a lot. And how many teachers?
10 teachers.
And what time do your classes start?
5 o'clock every day.
How much does it cost?
Oh, the school is free.
How much does it cost?
Oh, the school
Very
is free.
good. Very good. And your teacher, what's your teacher's name?
Babur Ali, he's only 16.
16? That's amazing. Is he a good teacher?
He's very good indeed.
What does he teach?
He teaches English, Bengali, history, and math.
That's a lot of subject. Does he work hard?
Oh, yes, very hard. And he studies all day and he teaches us every evening. He's the best teacher in the world.
Thank you. আবার কাউসার প্রশ্ন করেন নাশুকে।
Okay, sir. Can I ask you some question about your school?
Yes, of course.
How many students are in your school?
There are 650 now.
That's quite a lot. And how many teachers?
10 teachers.
Sir, একটু নিচে নামান দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
Okay. How many teachers there are? Okay. What time?
And what time do your classes start?
5 o'clock every day.
How much does it cost?
Oh, the school is free.
Very good. And your teachers, what's your teacher's name?
Babur Ali.
Babur Ali, he's only 16.
16? That's amazing. Is he a good teacher?
He's very good indeed.
What does he teach?
He teaches English, Bengali, history, and math.
That's a lot subject. That's a lot of subject. Does he work hard?
Oh, yes, very hard. He studies all day and he teaches us every evening. He's the best teacher in the world.
Thank you very much. We have fully completed this lesson, Babur Ali. In the next class, we'll move on to this chapter, this item, and we'll complete it in the next class. And then after we'll move on to unit 3. Okay. So this is what we are going to conclude today. This is 7, and our next class is on Kibardin.
Wednesday?
On Wednesday. On Wednesday. Okay, today is Monday. Our next class will be on Wednesday at 5:30. Okay, until then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Good night, sir.